Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Today I received Windows 10 tablet called Jumper EZpad 6 Plus. This is a very interesting device thanks to 11.6-inch Full HD display, Intel N3450 chipset, 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, and Windows 10 operating system. By the way, EZpad 6 Plus supports keyboard, so you can use the tablet as laptop. It's a pity I don't have keyboard, but you can find where to buy it by the link in description. So there is unboxing and first review of new tablet. Later I will publish video with detailed performance and battery test. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers not to miss new videos. The tablet comes in a big black box with company logo on the front side. I want to note that the tablet itself is quite big. On the right side you can find specification list such as chipset, memory, display and others. Inside the box there is a white styrofoam. It protects the tablet from damage during transportation. The tablet itself comes in a package. Under the device you can find user manual and warranty. To the left side of the tablet we can see the charger. That's all. To be honest, I'm little disappointed that there is no keyboard in the package because it is sold additionally. Its price is about $40. In my opinion, it is very important for Windows tablets so you can use them as laptops. My first impressions when I get Jumper EZpad 6 Plus in my hands, it is quite big, thick and heavy. Of course, this is not the device you want to keep in your hands during games or watching movies. The dimensions are following 297 by 183 by 16 mm. Also the weight is about 1 kg. Earlier we reviewed Warrior i8 Pro and it feels much smaller, thinner and lighter than Jumper EZpad 6 Plus. However, they are completely different gadgets. Jumper EZpad 6 Plus is made of plastic with metal frame around. The plastic is very comfortable to touch, but you should be careful when carrying the tablet with case and other things in your bag, because there may be scratches on the body. On the front panel you can see 11.6-inch display with quite big bezels. I still do not understand why tablets have such thick bezels when smartphone got rid of them. I'm waiting for tablets with thin bezels. It should be the main trend on tablet market in 2018. Also, you can see front camera and touch home key with Windows logo on the front panel. One of the main features of Jumper EZpad 6 Plus is the metal stand on the rear panel. It allows to adjust the position of the screen while using the tablet as laptop. The connectors are located on the left and right sides. You can find USB 3.0 port, microSD port and 3.5mm audio jack on the right side, and micro HDMI and DC port on the left side. Also there is volume rocker. The power button is located at the top. At the bottom there is magnetic connectors for keyboard. By the way, if you open the stand, you can find slot for TF memory cards. I want to note that tablet has USB and microSD port, but you can charge it only with DC charge that comes in a package. I think it is a big disadvantage because you will have to carry DC charger anywhere with you instead of using standard microSD cable to charge the tablet. In general, Jumper EZpad 6 Plus looks and feels premium. I cannot say that it is a lightweight and ultra-thin, but it is definitely thinner than most laptops. Jumper EZpad 6 Plus has 11.6-inch display with Full HD resolution 1920 by 1080 pixels. It uses standard 16:9 aspect ratio like many other laptops and tablets. The screen has good contrast and viewing angles. The maximum brightness is enough for using the tablet outdoors. Of course, the display reflects because it is not made, however it is possible to use in direct sunlight. The screen supports up to 10 touches, and in my opinion, it is the main advantages over most laptops. You can use Jumper EZpad 6 Plus as a tablet or a laptop. Do you know how much laptops with touch screen costs? Very expensive. Jumper EZpad 6 Plus is powered by quad-core chipset Intel Celeron N3450 with clock speed from 1.1 GHz up to 2.2 GHz. The processor is very popular and used in many similar devices, for example, Chewy laptop. As for the graphics, there is integrated Intel HD Graphics 500 GPU with speed up to 700 MHz. As for the memory, EZpad 6 Plus is equipped with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. However, there is about 44 GB of read storage, while the other memory is used for system files. If this is not enough for you, you can use microSD memory cards up to 256 GB or external hard drives through USB port. Later I will make detailed performance test of Jumper EZpad 6 Plus. Right now I want to run Geekbench 4 test. As you can see, the tablet has about 1420 points in single-core test and 4200 points in multi-core test. Also, it has almost 7400 points in OpenGL score. I cannot say that it is a very powerful tablet. Probably you couldn't run the latest games on Windows, however you can use it for working with documents, watching videos, playing casual games, surfing internet and others. By the way, I was surprised that Jumper EZpad 6 Plus could play 4K videos without any problems. I already played the Asphalt 8 and this is not as smooth as I wanted. Perhaps it is better look for more simple games. However, we will talk about this in the next video with detailed performance test. As you may notice, Jumper EZpad 6 Plus runs on Windows 10 Home out of the box. This is full version of popular operating system, so you can install any apps and programs. The pre-install language is English, but you can choose any other in settings menu. There is only a single camera on the front camera. It has 2-megapixel sensor. Of course, you can take pictures and record videos, but do not rely on high quality. In my opinion, it can be used only for video chatting, for example, Skype. You can see the black circle on the back panel and it looks like a camera sensor. However, it is not. I don't know what is it. If you know, please write in comments below. As for the battery, the tablet comes with only 3500 mAh battery capacity. I will not lie, it is a very small battery. For example, Chewy Starbook is equipped with 10,000 mAh battery. So you can expect on 4 hours on video playback and about 3 hours of battery life while working with Office applications. If you want more, then you should use battery saving functions in Windows 10. By the way, manufacturer recommended to charge the tablet only through DC charger. You can find USB port and microSD port, but they are not used for charging. Jumper EZpad 6 Plus comes with dual-channel speaker on the left and right sides. Its quality is quite acceptable. The sound is loud and there is even basses. In my opinion, you can watch movies and videos on YouTube through the built-in speaker. Jumper EZpad 6 Plus. From one hand, it is a high build quality tablet with premium design. However, it's pretty heavy and large to carry with yourself in college or office. It is equipped with USB 3.0 and microSD port, but you can use only DC charger for charging the tablet. The performance is good and tablet is able to run Office apps such as Word, Excel and others. Also, you can play 4K videos on YouTube. From the other hand, the battery is quite small and you cannot expect more than 4 hours of battery life. As for the display and sound, I don't have any complaints, they are good for this price category. So I want to recommend to buy Chewy Starbook because it has bigger battery, display and more internal memory. However, its price is twice more expensive, about $550. Jumper EZpad 6 Plus looks pretty good tablet for $300. Thanks for watching. In the description you can find links where to buy the tablet cheaper. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.